I'm headed to the alley because I heard a weird sound. Oh, look, there's a whole raw chicken on the ground.
Hola, buenas tardes. No, thank you. I know that Latinos will eat almost anything, pero raw chicken on the ground, even we have our limits. Pero mira, Representative Latinos Against Spooky Shit, and Señor Verde, we appreciate your content. We love what you do. Pero listen, you almost started your morning off very wrong, okay? You almost turned into a cold case file or an unsolved mystery. Your morning was 3 steps away from having a narration that goes, Señor Verde was found in a dumpster up to his neck in chicken bones, and the rest of his body was missing. To this day, we don't know what happened. And I just don't see you going out like that, Mr. Verde. So my recommendation, you're going to take some ajo, some garlic cloves, put them in your ear, and hopefully that'll absorb all the bad thoughts of investigating spooky sounds or talking to spooky things. I think you're going to live a long life doing that. So that's my recommendation. Dios lo bendiga. Best of luck. Take care. And remember, if you heard it, no, you didn't.